Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another dance tutorial video. I know it's been long since I've uploaded a single tutorial video or a dance video or a technique video. It's just that I had injured my toe very badly and I was on bed rest for around a month or so. It happened because of a stupid accident which I had met and hence I could not even move a muscle. I was in bed rest for around a month or so. It's just that now I've started to recover and I've been uploading dance videos regularly. I'll be soon uploading choreography videos or tutorial videos as soon as possible for every videos that I've done right now. So, if you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, press the bell icon for instant notification and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's go ahead with the choreography. So, you're going to start off with your right leg brushing down. You're going to go 1. So, you're going to brush zoop, 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 zoop. Okay? So, you're going to go. You're going to brush your feet. Now, there's a very chotu sa minor leg movement that's happening over here. So, you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So, while you're taking the second jump, there's a small step that you're going to do. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That makes it easier for you to jump back. Alright? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Now, while you're jumping, you're going to clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you're going to go boop, up, boop, up. Moving ahead from here, you're going to face profile. You're going to go down, slap the floor. You're going to touch the shoulders. From here, you're going to go back. Step, hit, step. Now, while you're doing step, hit, step, your hands will go 1, 2. From here, you're going to take 2 circles. Da, 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 ba, da, da. Samjha? From here, your right leg steps forward. You're going to go clap and back. Again, you're going to go 2 steps back. Ba, ba, da. Clear? Watch this. So you're going to go boom, ba, da, ka, ba, da, circle, and forward, and back, and up. Cool? Moving ahead, from here. So once you finish, ha, ha, ha. Now make sure your left come behind each other. If you're doing a partner work, then make sure your left come behind each other. Your right hand goes up 1, left hand goes up 2. Right leg steps up, boom, and go down. Pelvis movement 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? From here, you're going to step back. Now, again, if you are doing a partner work, make sure the girl moves faster with a bigger step than the boys. Boys, you have to do a small movement. Da, da, da. Chotu leg movement, chotu circle. You're going to face profile. Left elbow goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Now, girls, you all have to take a bigger step. Da, da, da. And you're going to bigger circle. The next movement remains the same. Just make sure you're going ahead of the boys while doing this step. Moving forward from here, you're going to go boom. Left hand goes up, right hand in line with the shoulders. Other side. Again, your right leg comes up. Ta, 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 boom. 3 steps. So, boom, boom. Up, step, step, step. You're going to travel back with your hands on your waist. Pa, pa, da, pa, pa, da. Cool. Now, from here. You're going to go with your right leg steps forward. You're going to jump up. Alright? You're going to go step, up, step, 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 up, step, 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 up, step, 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 up, step, step, step. So, now while you're jumping in the air, Okay? Now while you're jumping in the air, you're gonna bend down, you're gonna go clap. So, up. Alright, that's what's happening. So you're gonna jump up and clap. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3.
चमचम नाच आजे धमाधम ढोल बाजे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे.
From here you're gonna do a barrel roll, alright? You're gonna do like 4 barrel rolls. If you can't do barrel rolls, you can simply turn onto your right side or your left side, which is comfortable to you. Now learning the barrel roll, it's very simple. Once you get the technique correct, it's very simple. So what you have to do is, while you're doing the barrel roll, you're gonna face either side. So if you're a righty, alright, if you're more comfortable going the right first, with the right shoulder first, alright, you stay in this position, backing the audience. If you're more of the lefty, alright, you prefer the left shoulder going down, then you face the audience. Alright, I can teach you both. I'll be teaching you all both. So you're gonna do step. You're gonna plie down first. So the first thing is step. Now your left leg comes up. Step and together. This is your right shoulder. Now while you're doing the left shoulder, alright, while you're doing the left shoulder, same thing. Left leg, right leg, step. So you have to step first. One of the most important thing is to step first before you go for a jump. Anything. Koi bhi rahega. Even in this, make sure you're jumping, make sure you're stepping first, then you jump. Right? Even in this, even in the barrel roll, you're gonna step first and then you're gonna jump. So you're gonna go step, and together. Right? While coming back, left leg, step, and back. It's very simple. Just learn. First of all, just learn to plie, step, and back. If you're doing the left side, plie, step, and back. Alright? So while you're about to jump, make sure you gather the momentum and then you're jumping. So you're gonna do 1 and that's it. 3 to 4 of these, however it's comfortable, whichever side, left side or right side. I'll be doing a detailed version of the barrel roll. So make sure I'll come back for the video.
अपनी फेमस है रात वाली यारियां जाले सारा जहां.
You're gonna go right shoulder, right, left, forward and back. From here, you're gonna isolate 1, 2, 3, and 4. The boys will shift onto your left side, while the girls turn around. So you're gonna go Ketal Purma Pavo Vadyo Ne Maro Suto Sunilido. That's it. From here, your hands come onto the girl's waist. You're gonna go right, left, isolate, right, left, isolate. Clear? So you're gonna go boom, 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 ba-da-da. So you're gonna go boom, 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 ba-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da, ba-da-ba-da. Kamariya re tari kamariya, kamariya re tari kamariya. Clear? Moving.
बेथलपुर मां सुन ले ओ छोरियां झूमे नगरियां जब जब ये घूमे. कमरिया रे तारी कमरिया, कमरिया रे तारी कमरिया.
The first step, brush and down and brush and down. But this time your hands will go away. Strong hands. You're gonna go Ketal Ma. 3 turns onto your right side or your left side. Or for a matter of fact, how many turns if you're comfortable with. You're gonna do 2 turns, you're gonna do 2 turns, you're gonna do 1 turn, you're gonna do 1 turn. But make sure you all don't miss out from the music. So, Ketal Kurma Pavo Vadyo Nimaro. Even if you're doing a single turn, make sure you're doing it slow and you finish on Maro. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Clear? If you're a lefty, you turn to the left side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Ketal Kurma Pavo Yonimaro. Travel behind. Suto Sonildo and sit. And up. Barrel roll forward. Sound right? So you will quick. Ketal Kurma Pavo Yonimaro. Back and step. Turn. Boom. Ha ha ha.
Ketal Kurma Pavo Nimaro Suto Soniro Jagyo Javan Lal Kamariya.
From here, you're gonna go step and jump, step, jump, step, jump, step, jump. Very simple. Moving ahead from here, your left leg goes up, right leg goes up, left leg goes up, right leg goes up, and. Now while your legs are coming up, you're going to clap. You're going to go ha, and, ha, and, ha, and, ha, and. Alright? So the entire thing goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, and step, sit, step, parallel, roll. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, boom. So guys, this was the tutorial video of the song Kamariya. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, press the bell icon for instant notification and do subscribe to our channel. This is me signing out. Bye bye.